Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious, refreshing passion fruit pineapple lemonade that I know you are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this refreshing, amazing passion fruit pineapple lemonade, these are the ingredients. I have pineapple, I have passion fruit pulp, a pinch of salt, lemons, granulated sugar, water, and ice. This is everything we need to prepare this refreshing and delicious and amazing homemade lemonade, perfect for this hot weather. So let's get started. I want to start by making my simple syrup. And to make the simple syrup, I'm using 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water. We're going to take it to the stove and we're going to cook it until the sugar has dissolved completely. When it's dissolved completely, we're going to let it rest until it comes to room temperature. And here, of course, I am going to continue getting the juice out of these lemons. Remember, you could use stevia, you could use honey, you could use agave to sweeten your lemonade. But here I'm using granulated sugar. With this little gadget, I get all the lemon out completely of the lemons. I'm going to put it aside, and now I want to show you how I bought the passion fruit pulp. You could find it in any supermarket in the freezer section. Of course, I have here at home the plant of the passion fruit. But if you don't have one, well, this is a great option to go and buy the pulp at the supermarket. It's very easy to find. You can find it everywhere. But once you get the pulp out of the baggie, your kitchen will be invaded with the aroma of the passion fruit. Look at this. You could really see how thick it is. And of course, I have my organic syrup of the passion fruit, and I left behind the seeds. And I have this all year round because I freeze my passion fruits and then I make the syrup. So all year long, I could really enjoy this amazing passion fruit pulp with the seeds. Well, here I'm going to add this into the passion fruit pulp that I bought from the supermarket. And of course, I'm going to add a little bit of water into this glass so that I don't leave anything behind. Okay, once I add that, I am going to continue by adding my simple syrup. Remember, the simple syrup, it's up to you how sweet you want your lemonade. I have the pinch of salt. And of course, I am going to mix it completely. And then I'll be ready to add the juice of the lemon. Look at this. And I'm going to be very careful because I don't want to add the seeds. Okay? And now I am ready to incorporate it really good and add more water. Of course, you are going to have all the ingredients in the description box. It really doesn't take too long to make this refreshing lemonade. The combination of the passion fruit with the pineapple, just amazing. And here I have the pineapple already in little squares, and I'm adding the juice into the passion fruit juice. I am going to go ahead, put it aside, and let me show you that I am completely ready to make this amazing and delicious, refreshing lemonade at home. If you liked and loved this recipe, leave me thumbs up, share this video on social media so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I am sure that once you make this delicious and refreshing lemonade, you are going to continue enjoying with your family my lemonades. And here I have my pitcher full of ice, and I'm adding the pineapple. I am going to crush it so that the pineapple leaves behind the amazing flavor of the pineapple. Look at this. Once you do this, you are ready to pour the juice of the passion fruit right into it. It's so hot here in California that I am really going to enjoy and refresh myself with this amazing lemonade. I am sure you and your family are going to love this refreshing lemonade. I have my glass. I'm going to add enough ice. I'm going to add the pineapple. And of course, I'm being very generous, adding all the pineapple. I'm going to crush it in there, making sure that I crush everything in there. And now I am ready to pour. I can't wait to enjoy it. I can't wait to refresh myself. And to tell you the truth, I hope you guys make it and enjoy what I enjoy here with my family. And I cannot forget a slice of lemon to top it up right on the top. Remember, you decide how sweet you want your lemonades. I just added a splash of the simple syrup. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely passion fruit pineapple lemonade. It is perfect for this hot weather, and it's perfect when you make it at home with a touch of love. But this is the part I really love and enjoy. Tasting my recipes, excuse me. The combination of the passion fruit with the pineapple, just perfection made at home. I hope, my friends, you give it a try and you refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. On my channel, you have so many amazing lemonades that I am sure you are going to love. Just the perfect combination, passion fruit and pineapple. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying my amazing and refreshing passion fruit pineapple lemonade. See you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.